2. This is number 2. Now we will look at example number 3. Let's look at this sentence. We have they will use his discovery. They, it is subject, will, helping verb, used verb, his discovery, object. In previous sentences, when we talked about simple present and simple past, we didn't have a helping verb. But here we have a helping verb. What are we going to do now? We will see how we solve this sentence. Let's look at this sentence. Which tense it is? It is in the future. It is in the future. بالfuture, already we have the word will, the helping verb, and we have a verb. First of all, we will start by the object. We will say his discovery. In all the 3 previous sentences, after the object, immediately we have to put the helping verb. Here already we have the helping verb, which it is what? Will. Because we have a helping verb already mentioned in the sentence, we have to add another verb. This verb will be be. Then we will write the main verb used also in the past participle. You will ask, why did we write be in this sentence? Because we have already here the helping verb will. Unit 2, we talked about modal verbs, will, would, ought to, shall, should, may, might, must. All of these modal verbs, we said if we have a modal verb, the other verb should be infinitive. The other verb should be infinitive. What kind of verb are we going to put? We will put the verb be, but the main verb will stay in the past participle. So what did we do here? We add بالfuture, we will add be to the verb will. So if we have will, we will add the verb be, then the verb will be in the past participle. What is the negative of will? We took it in unit 1. It is won't. So again, we will start with the object his discovery. Then we will put the helping verb. We will insert after the helping verb be. Then the verb will be in the past participle. We cannot say by they, because they here it is a pronoun. This is rule number 3. Let's look now at number 4. Number 4, the sentence, he is doing lots of interesting research at the moment. At the moment. Let's look here. We have he, subject, is, helping, verb, doing, verb, lots of interesting research, it is object. What are we going to do now? We will start also with the object. The object, it is what? Lots of interesting research. All of this, it is object. It is object. Okay. Let's look at this sentence. He is doing. Which tense we are talking about? We are talking about present. What kind of a present? Continuous. So number 4, we are talking about present continuous. Lots of interesting research. What kind of helping verb do we need with the present? We said it in the example number 1. We said we need what? We need S or R. But here we have what? Already is, or we might have are. The helping verb, it is already mentioned, like the example will. So what are we going to do? In the previous example with will, we add be because will take the verb infinitive. But in this example, because it is a present continuous, we have here what? ing. So is, are will take the verb also be, but with what? ing. So in this example, lots of interesting research is what? Is being, will verb past participle being, done by whom? By he. We cannot write by he because he, it is a pronoun. We will write the rest of the sentence at the moment. At the again, let's look at the sentence. He is doing lots of interesting research. This sentence, it's in which tense? It is in the present continuous because we have is with the verb doing with ing. What kind of helping verbs do we need? We need is, we need are. Is, are, they are already mentioned, one of them in the sentence. So what are we going to do? We will need the main verb, but we have to add ing because it is a continuous. So we will start with the object, lots of interesting research. Research, here it is what? 1, so we will write is. Then we have to add be, but because it is a continuous, we have to add ing, so it becomes lots of interesting research is being, do, el past participle, done, with the rest of the sentence at the moment. This is number 4, present continuous.